Okay, good evening. I'm gonna make this video a little quicker because I'm not feeling too well. Shows my sugars are high, but I don't know how because I haven't eaten anything today. But anyways, my purse from my Louis Vuitton dupe from DHGate finally came. I already got it open, so you guys are not hearing the routing, but they wrapped it in bubble wrap, and then it was just in a bag. So that way you guys don't see my address and stuff like that. It did come in. This person taped it up really good too, which is good, but so it did come with a little dust, it says Louis Vuitton dust bag, which I think I can have this inside out. One second. So that's cool. My other one did come with a dust bag too, so. And I'm not saying go out and buy a dupe and stuff like that, but I'm not spending. This one was 80 bucks, so it was a little more than the other one. I'm putting it in the dust bag so you guys can kind of see what it was, how it was. So that's it in the dust bag, so you can keep it in the dust bag. And then it did come with, it was stuffed. Like I said, I already took all that out, so you're not hearing. So, this is what it looks like. So I can't, let me turn some light on. Might be able to see it better. But this is what it looks like. It's like a dusty pink, like a light pink, which I like. I do have to shape it because with them shipping it with all the stuffing inside, it's kind of like bowing out right here. See what I mean? Like it's, so you just gotta, once I get my stuff in it, it'll make it better, but that's what it looks like. And then it all had stuff wrapped around it, and that's what it looks like. So it's that purse. I don't really have a smell. My other one had a smell, but this one doesn't. So in the middle piece, it came with this strap, which I think goes on the outside, and I think it holds might hold the locket, I don't know. But it does say Louis Vuitton on it and stuff. And then it comes with the strap, I think, to make it longer. I don't know. I don't know what all these straps are for. Yeah, it does come with a little crossbody strap. I didn't open that up yet. So let's get into that. That's thinner than that one. I don't know what that's for. This is the crossbody. It doesn't say anything on it. No, this doesn't say anything on it. But it's gold. So if you want a strap. Half the time I don't use the strap, so I might not put this on. I might just keep it. Maybe that's what that's for. Keep the strap together? I don't know what this is for. Looks like it goes like this. I don't know what that's for. Maybe I'll look at the pictures later and see what that's for, but there's that. And then it has this little box in there. So we'll see what this little box is. There's plastic around everything, so that came good. Oh, the locket. So you got keys. You have a Louis Vuitton locket. It does have that on it. That's pretty cool. I didn't know it came with that. And it does say Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Keys go with it. It works. That's pretty cool. Like I said, the feet are covered. Even those say Louis Vuitton on them. Like I said, I'm not telling you to go out to buy fake ones or dupes and stuff like that. I do this to get like a feel of if I really like the purse. And if I do, then I'll save up the money to buy the original one. Like I'm saving up money to buy the Never Full because I really like that one. But I wanted to give this one a try because it's not as big as that, but so I got my Hello Kitty purse. Size comparison. It's a little bigger, so I won't really fit in my locker at work. But so it would fit more. I do need to do what's in my purse. It's not really organized, but I'll do a what's in my purse if you guys want that. Like I said, is it made perfect? No. But it's nice and sturdy. Straps will go there. I just don't know what this goes to. If you guys know, comment below, where is this supposed to go? Sorry. And then I know the locket. Isn't the locket supposed to go on this? A little hoop. I don't know. If you guys know, comment below and then I'll try to look it up to see. But that's cool that it comes with all that. And I like that it comes with a locket. That's pretty cool. So it makes it look legit and stuff. Mine didn't come with no cards or anything. Some of them, at least not that I know of. Let me double check. Some of them will send a card, like a fake receipt with it and stuff. Mine did not, which I'm okay with. Because I'm not trying to say it, you know, it's legit or anything. But I'm excited to use it and see how it holds up and stuff. And it's kind of like my Hello Kitty one, just a little different. So, that's the purse I got from DHGate. If you want me to link it, let me know. Sometimes it says you're not supposed to link things. You can get flagged or something like that. So, if you might have to send me an email or something for me to send it to you. So you guys, if you want to buy it, you can. Not saying you have to, but get off my chair. But that's my purse. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.